Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's kitchen. Today I am here with a snack recipe that is Dabeli. It is originated in Kutch region of Gujarat, but it is famous all over our country and people love to eat it. So this Dabeli, the word it means compressed in Gujarat. So the potato stuffings which we make by using the masala, it is compressed in between the burger buns. So it's very tasty and a very good evening snack with tea. So let's get started. So for making tasty dabelis, first of all we require some buns. For stuffing purpose, we require 5 to 6 potatoes boiled and smashed nicely, asafoetida, cumin seeds or jeera, 2 to 3 green chilies chopped, small piece of ginger, 1 spoon of amchur powder, some garam masala and some oil. And for stuffing purpose, we need some pomegranate seeds, some chopped onions, some chopped green coriander leaves, some save, and for spreading on the buns we require coriander and mint chutney, that is hari chutney or green chutney, and some sweet tamarind chutney. So take a frying pan and take about 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it become hot. Then add about 1 spoon of cumin seeds. Then about 2 to 3 green chilies chopped. 1 small piece of ginger chopped. Saute it nicely. A pinch of asafoetida, and when the raw smell of the green chili and the ginger has gone, add these smashed potatoes into the pan. Add some salt to taste. Then add about 2 spoons of garam masala and about 1 spoon of amchur powder. This is optional. If you want, you can add. Now add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of tamarind chutney. This is sweet, made up of tamarind and jaggery. So it gives a very tangy and sweet flavor to our masala. Just mix it for 2-3 minutes and switch off the flame. Now we have to add some chopped onions, some coriander leaves and some pomegranate seeds into this and mix it. So our stuffing is ready. Now we will make the dabelis. So now we have to slice these buns partially so that we can fill the stuffings. So this much partially you can cut it. So all the buns we have to cut it like that. So heat one griddle and just put some ghee or butter as per your requirement and just make these buns little hot from 2 sides. Don't roast it, just you have to make little hot from both the sides so that you can serve it hot. Hot dabelis are very tasty. So we have to take these buns, apply some tamarind chutney on one side, some green chutney on the opposite side. Now the stuffing. You can add this stuffing generously if you like. Now some onions, some coriander, some pomegranate seeds, and the final touch, that is save, and just close it. Decorate it with some onions, coriander and some pomegranate. And kids, they love this save. You can add this one also. and your tasty dabelis are ready to serve. So our tasty dabelis are ready. You should surely try this because these are very tasty and very easy to make. I have prepared it in my unique style. You also try it out. Definitely you will like it. So like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.